Eurosec to Texecom Premier Elite 24 replacement. Brief overview. The replacement of an older Eurosec wired alarm panel with a modern Texecom Premier Elite 24 panel is a common upgrade that provides enhanced security and modern features. New panel, Texecom Premier Elite 24, wired, offers 8 zones expandable up to 24, 2 independent areas, 25 user codes, a 500 event log, and support for modern communicators, PSTN, GSM, IP. Key benefit: you are moving from an outdated system to a current, professional-grade platform with menu-driven programming via an LCD keypad, often with proximity tag support. Wiring reuse: since both systems are wired, the existing wiring for PIRs, motion sensors, and contacts can usually be reused, but the wiring configuration at the panel and device ends must be modified.